Now this figure 19-27 deals with protection devices that must be provided within 12 inches of the attachment cap as you see in the illustration. And this protection scheme is identified as LCDI, AFCI, and HDCI protection. Now 1 through 3 in the illustration identifies this protection. Leakage current detector interrupter, LCDI. Arc fault protection interrupter, AFCI. Heat detecting circuit interrupter, HDCI. And this protection, as the illustration shows, has to be provided within 12 inches of the attachment cap, and that provides the protection pertaining to this type of protection. And that's what this figure 19-27 is illustrating.